1971 VW bus. Beautiful sea green tint. Authentic blue California license plates. Functional pop top, which I'll post in another video. Absolutely gorgeous specimen. Here we have a 1971 VW bus. The new shifter head on it, parking brake's fine. We have a little spot here for different accessories. Let me turn it on for you real quick. Little on switch. Allows you to see the voltage on the battery, currently at 14.4. You can also turn it off then if you don't want to suck the juice while the car is just stationary. We have an aftermarket Bluetooth compatible radio here. It's fine. The speakers are kind of hard to see in the shadows, but they're hidden behind the seats. We can see we have some beautiful side panels, great black carpeting, black guards, more beautiful side panels. If we turn around and look in the back, we can see some the reupholstered seats where we replaced the stuffing as well as the upholstery. Custom made shelving units. We have the table, which does go up and down just fine, and you can see the storage is there on the left and underneath the seat. You can also see a handle to help get up off on the side over there. We'll open up the side and let everybody take a view there. Here we can see the inside of the VW bus, including the custom shelving, the reupholstered seats, the table, which does come up and down. You can put that down for ease of use. The rear seats with nice stiff padding in them. We have the under storage, which has a couple of older parts still stored in them. We have side storage. You can see it's just a cute little pair of jumper cables, a nice little side mirror. Plenty of room to put stuff. With that, we'll check out a couple other items. You can see there's a little handle here for helping you get up and down. There's also a little strap on this side for the same. This also works on the front if you want to be able to pull up from the front. Down here on the floor, you can see a little runner to help anybody step up who might be having a little bit of problem. Maybe their legs are too small, or maybe they just are vertically challenged and need a little bit of help. That's the basics of the interior. Door, a little bit heavy, loves to be slammed shut. You can see it connects in the back. Show you the basics of the locking mechanism here. When the key is all the way in and you can see no little grooves there, you know it's in and ready to lock. Just good to go. Front has a slightly different key set, just because I haven't bothered to get them all put on the same tumbler, but you can see there, have it open, locks from the outside just fine. Looking at the back of the bus, we can see a spare wheel cover with a functional, recently added spare tire in the back. A little bit more storage space on the side. Some more cubby hole space. Latch is great. Yeah, pads just kind of help weather protection on different items. Curtains are a little bit sun bleached, but they're still super cute with featuring VW bus styling. You can see the panel up on the top, recently replaced. Beautiful wood paneling.